Has your paycheck been garnished because of debt? Most people don't realize that bankruptcy can help you not only stop garnishments in the future, but also get back the money that's already been taken. In Minnesota, if you've been garnished $625 or more in the last 90 days, I can help you recover that money by filing bankruptcy. This applies to both Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 cases. Many of my clients use this recovered money to get back on their feet financially. Chapter 7 is like hitting the reset button on your financial situation. It gives you a fresh start. And that fresh start feels even better when you can reclaim garnishments to build an emergency fund. At Walker & Walker, we can file your case in just a few days with no upfront cost and no office visit required. Plus, most of our clients see their credit score rise to 720 within only 2 years of filing. If you want to stop garnishments and recover what's been taken, call us today at 612-824-4357 for a free consultation. Let us help you take back control of your financial future.